Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to do this look. This is a super easy, super quick look, only using a couple products. So to get started, all you're going to need is a foundation, a lipstick, and a brown eyeshadow and mascara. Great. Now I'm going to use I used a little applicator, so I'm going to use the remainder on here on my cheeks. You could also just put a little bit on your finger, straight from the tube, and use two clean fingers to dab it in. And you want to dab and then kind of like pull the color back. Having your blush and your lipstick go together makes for a nice uniform look, and it helps ensure that your blush and your lipstick are in the same color family since they're the same color. And for the other side, same thing. It's kind of like a dab and swipe movement. You could use a beauty blender for this, or a brush. I think I'm going to take my foundation brush. It has a little foundation left on it still. And use that to help blend. And since the lipstick has a little sheen in it, I don't need a highlighter today because my lipstick's taking care of that for me. Blend. So I'm doing circles when I blend. So upward motions. Okay, same thing, start with my fingers. And blend. Okay, great. So 2 steps done. Next I'm going to move on to the eyes. My eyes are close set. I want the color to be on the outer half of my eye. If your eyes are wide set, you want to put the color more in the middle, and you can do your whole lid. And if your eyes are normal, you can do whatever you want, if they're just kind of in a normal placement. But for me, I'm going to let the lightness come from my foundation, and then I'm just going to put this on the outside corners. And again, use my fingers to blend it in. Bone. I'm going to take a blending brush . I want to make sure they're even, so I'm going to add a little bit more to the right eye. Now, lipstick can be a little sticky, so if you have a setting powder or a neutral colored soft shadow, I would possibly consider putting a little bit of that over this, but you don't have to. Okay, great. So now we have lips, cheeks, and eyeshadow done. The next step I'm going to use a dark shadow for. This is actually my contour powder. This step's not mandatory, but I feel like it helps the brows go into a better shape. The color of the powder I'm using today, so not too dark. This is warm medium from Makeup Geek. So one of the things that cosmetic companies do is they use the same product but market it different ways so that we will essentially buy more products, but in reality, they're pretty much the same thing, just in different packaging. So for example, your highlighter and any shimmer shadow that you have, they're the same product. One might have more pigment than the other, but you can use your highlighter on your eyes, or you can use your shimmer shadow on your cheeks for a highlight. Or if you have a pink or peach shadow or a blush, you can use them interchangeably between your eyes and your cheek. Or like how we did with lipsticks today. Lipstick and cream blush are basically the same thing. They're just in a different package. Put the contour on half of my brush, and I'll use the other half to blend after I apply it. So put it on, and then turn the brush. Let's get down here too. Okay. And then again, same motion, it's like this. Okay, and the key is always to blend. Blending is your friend. Okay, great. And then I'm going to do my eyeliner. I'm going to use the same brush that I used for my brows, and I'll do my eyeliner with this, and I'm going to use my contour powder again. You could also use your mascara too if you wanted, and put your brush into the mascara wand to do an eyeliner that way. Okay, so I'm just putting it right into the lash line, making a tiny wing. This shape brush is great if you like a little wing, a little flick. It basically does the work for you. You just put it down. I'm gonna go under a little bit. Ta-da! Okay, same thing this side. Kind of a stamping motion when you use powder like this. And because we used the lipstick underneath, it's a little sticky. So the liner, the powder liner sticks really well. Okay, excellent. And then my last step is to put on mascara. You know, since I like darker liner on my face, so since I'm using a brown powder shadow today, I want to really wiggle this into my roots. To make my eyes look nice and dark. Or defined. Alright, and so there you have it. Here's a full face, only using a couple products. So we used foundation, a lipstick, and a dark shadow, and mascara. And we have full face, including lips, cheeks, eyes, eyeliner, contour, even highlight from your lipstick. And so that's it. Let me know if you try this one or if you have any questions. Have a great day, everyone. Thanks. Bye.